A single crafted email could compromise an entire Zimbra user session, thanks to a newly disclosed, stored cross-site scripting vulnerability. Welcome to SysLog Daily. Today we have a critical vulnerability in Zimbra's email client, a survey on AI agents providing wrong answers, and a new tool to simplify product launches across multiple channels. Stay tuned. Critical security vulnerability has been discovered in Zimbra's classic web client, which could result in arbitrary code execution. The vulnerability is a case of stored cross-site scripting, or XSS, that could allow specially crafted emails to execute malicious scripts in a user's session. This type of vulnerability occurs when an application includes untrusted data in a web page without proper validation or escaping, allowing attackers to inject and execute malicious Java script in victims' browsers. Zimbra has a history of XSS vulnerabilities being exploited by bad actors, with incidents dating back to December 2021. The impact of this vulnerability is significant, as it could allow access to mailbox information, session data, or account settings. Users are advised to apply updates immediately. Axiom notes that stored XSS flaws can be particularly problematic, as they can be permanently stored on target servers and compromise any site visitor who loads the affected page. A recent survey has found that 57% of enterprises have seen AI agents provide confidently wrong answers due to a lack of business context. This issue can be attributed to the fact that AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if the context is missing or inconsistent, the model can provide incorrect answers. The fix for this issue is to implement an agentic context layer, which can provide the necessary context for the AI model to make accurate decisions. However, it appears that few enterprises have implemented such a layer. Axiom notes that this is not surprising, given the complexity of implementing and maintaining such a system. The impact of this issue is significant, as it can lead to incorrect decisions being made by AI agents, which can have serious consequences. Users are advised to carefully evaluate the context in which their AI models are being used, and consider implementing an agentic context layer to improve accuracy. A new tool called LaunchPad has been released, which simplifies product launches across 42 different channels. The tool allows users to write a single product brief and then generates native posts for each channel, taking into account the unique character limits and requirements of each platform. The tool uses a combination of React, Vite, and AI-powered drafting to generate the posts. Axiom notes that this tool could be particularly useful for developers and marketers who need to launch products across multiple channels, as it can save time and reduce the complexity of the launch process. The impact of this tool is significant, as it can help to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of product launches. Users are advised to consider using LaunchPad for their next product launch to simplify the process and reach a wider audience. That covers today's transmission. If any of these stories affect your systems, links are in the description. Subscribe so you never miss a patch day. See you tomorrow.